I didn't see you there. Hello. I am Nicholas Nature, your fabulous guide to the world of the Chelonia mitis, commonly known as the green sea turtle. Now, as you can see, this river may not be the natural habitat of a green sea turtle, but lucky for us, we just happen to have our very own green sea turtle friend right here. Isn't he beautiful? Green sea turtles are very distinct due to their shells, but are oftentimes confused for their cousins, the black sea turtle. Nature truly is beautiful. Why not take a walk with me, and I can tell you more about the green sea turtle, its fabulous exploits.